Today on Bowl of Delicious, we're making stuffed pepper soup. It's everything you love about stuffed peppers, but made in one pot in soup form. It's delicious and so easy. Start with some olive oil and saute a lot of bell peppers and onions for a pretty long time. You want them to get really soft and nice and brown so that their texture and flavor isn't overpowering. Add some ground beef, parsley, oregano, and mint if you want, that's optional. Brown the beef until it's fully cooked. Then add some red wine, again that's optional, chicken broth, crushed tomatoes, salt, pepper. Bring to a boil, and then add some rice. You can use any kind of rice you want. Stir it up, cover it, simmer it on low until the rice is completely cooked. Turn off the heat and stir in a little bit more olive oil. Taste it and season it with salt and pepper if you need to. And there you have it. Your stuffed pepper soup is completely done. This is so delicious and I know you're gonna love it. I like to top it with Romano cheese for serving. Yum! Get this and more recipes at bowlofdelicious.com.